We got enough for beer for the day. We're all right. We're doing just fine.
Welcome back. In this video, we're hitting the road.
What is all this shit in my fucking suitcase? At the airport, they're like, you need some salt in this suitcase.
But before we do that, here's a little tour of our awesome hotel.
This is all they drink in Germany is beer and Red Bulls.
We have our orange juice, which doesn't look like the same color as back home. It's slightly more yellow.
It was a great place to meet the locals. We would drink, play foosball, and talk Metallica with them every night at the bar. However, the constant barrage of cigarette smoke was a little annoying. I mean, I'm still coughing up tar to this day. Today, we venture to Potsdam to check out Sanssouci Palace. This palace is known for its Rococo design and was residence to the Prussian kings during the 18th century. Potsdam is also the birthplace of European cinema. It's home to Babelsberg Studios, where thousands of classic films such as Metropolis were made. From there, we make a quick stop in Wittenberg, hometown of a German monk that changed Christianity forever. Martin Luther is famous for nailing his 95 Theses to the door of the castle church, which began the Protestant Reformation. You can visit the town church where he delivered many sermons, and you can take a tour of his house.
I believe he's perished.
And even tour his luxurious bathroom. Next, we hop over to Leipzig for some music culture.
Yes, that's right.
Many consider Leipzig to be the most important city in the world for music. It is here at St. Thomas Church that Johann Sebastian Bach, not to be mistaken for this guy, served as musical director for many years until his death. The town's musical energy had such a profound impact on me that I ended up walking into a guitar shop and taking this home with me. After many amazing stops along the way, our road journey comes to a close as we make our way into Rothenburg. Upon arrival, we look for a gas station to buy phone cards. Once we find a gas station, Bender makes an unexpected discovery.
Where are all these girls at? Because they were in the hotel lobby, that's for sure. Oh my, holy crap. I have to find her and marry her. She will be mine.
Once we buy the cards, we head out to find the phones. On the way, Carol and Elise amusingly find out that the hotel room Bender and I are staying in has only one bed, and that the two of us may have to share it.
We really enjoyed that. The two of us were like, women don't have a problem with this, but we're like, dating life, we can see them having an issue.
That's way too much beef in the same bed.
We eventually find the phones, to which Bender and Matt have an interesting experience.
What the hell is this? All right, Mr. Dictionary.
Number eingeben. Number you want to call.
Now we're getting somewhere.
Have you read the directions?
There's directions?
Yes. Pick up receiver, insert card, dial a number, and make your call. After call, replace receiver and make your card.
Okay. Right now, I bought a $5 card, I made one phone call, and that's it. It's over. It's about $10 a minute. We're having good times. Ameritech and SBC got a hold of the phones over here.
Well, that's it for this video. Join me next time as we get to experience what the city of Rothenburg has to offer. As always, if you liked what you saw, don't be afraid to leave one of these. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.